Okay, so let's talk about ions. In your module 3, this is the first lesson. Okay, so before we define what is ion, let us first remember that a neutral atom is atom with equal number of electron and proton. Okay, so remember that atomic number is equal to the number of electron and proton. Okay, himay-himayin muna natin, no? When we say neutral atom, it means wala siyang charge. Okay, anong ibig sabihin ng walang charge? So, hindi siya positive, hindi siya negative. Neutral. Okay? So, when we say neutral atom, dapat equal daw yung number ni electron at saka ni proton. So, paano mo malalaman kung ano ang number of electron at saka number of proton? First, you must refer on your periodic table wherein kailangan mong tignan yung kanilang atomic number. Okay, this number gives you the number of electron and number of proton. So, let's have an example. Say for example, we have take a look at the periodic table. Halimbawa, meron tayong element sodium. Halimbawa, si sodium. Okay? Sodium, element sodium, sample lang ha. Okay. Ano naman ang kanyang symbol? Na, right? Okay, so, kanyang symbol ay Na. Again, when you write the symbol, isundin yung nasa periodic table. Huwag gawing capital lahat or huwag gawing small letter lahat. Then, how about the atomic number? So, anong atomic number niya? It is written at the topmost left side of the symbol. So, ang kanyang atomic number ay 11. Okay? So, atomic number is 11. So, sabi natin kanina, once you know the atomic number of an element, okay, it is also equal to the number of electron and number of proton. Okay? So, if it is a neutral element, then the number of electron is also 11 and the number of proton is also 11. Okay? Yan yung sinasabi natin na neutral. Equal yung number ni proton at saka ni electron. Now, paano pag hindi sila equal? Okay? Dito na papasok yung tinatawag natin na ions. So, we define ions as the atoms or are atoms or group of atoms that has net positive and negative charge. So, kapag positive charge yung ion, we call it cation. And kapag negative charge naman siya, we call it anion. Okay, so again, ions are atoms that has positive or negative charge. Now, paano ba nagkakaroon ng charges yung mga elements or yung mga atoms? Okay, so cation, tandaan natin, positive charge siya, di ba? That means it has fewer electrons than protons. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, mas konti yung kanyang electron kaysa sa protons niya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, mas nagiging dominant yung proton. Kaya yun nagiging charge niya, and that is positive, cation. Anion, okay, more electrons than proton, which means mas greater yung number of electrons niya kaysa sa number of proton niya. So, once na mas greater yung electron, that means yung charge niya ay mas nagiging dominant yung negative kaysa sa positive. And we call that one as anion. Okay, o tandaan, electron lang ang pwedeng dagdagan o bawasan. Which means, hindi pwedeng dagdagan o mabawasan si proton. Okay? Only electron can be shared, can be transferred or can be given off to another element. Okay, electron lang yon. So among the three subatomic particles, di ba, we have proton, electron, and we have neutron. So among those three, yung pwede mo lang i-donate, pwede mo lang i-share, o pwede mo lang ibigay sa isa pang element ay si electron lang. Okay? Ibig sabihin, constant lang lagi si proton and neutron. Another is, tandaan, metals. Remember those metals or metallic elements? Again, metallic elements are found on the left side of the periodic table. So, mula dito, yan, lahat yan ay metals. So, metallic elements loses one or more electron. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung mga metals, they tends to lose. Nawawalan sila ng electron. They donate electron. So, sila yung taga-donate ng electron, taga-bigay ng electron. They give off electrons. Okay? And since they give off electrons, ibig sabihin nun, nawawalan sila ng electron, nababawasan sila ng electron, and they form cation. Since nababawasan sila ng electron, mas nagiging dominant yung positive charge sa kanila, kaya nagiging cations, usually yung mga metals. Okay? And non-metals, on the other hand, accepts electron. So, they are called electron acceptors. Okay? Tinatanggap nila yung mga electrons na binibigay ni metal. So, since tinatanggap nila yung mga electrons, they gain electron, which means nadadagdagan yung kanilang electrons. So, since nadadagdagan yung electron nila, mas nagiging marami yung negative charge sa kanila, wherein they form an ion. Okay, so nagpo-form naman sila ng anion. Hindi po anion ha, anion. Okay, so yun. So let's have an example. Okay, so again, we have the element sodium. Okay, atomic number is 11. Now, say let's have the number of electron. So we all know that since given yung kanyang atomic number, okay, and again, atomic number is equal to the number of proton and number of electron. So, the number of electron is 11. Okay? Halimbawa, neutral siya. So, si proton, 11 din. Neutral siya. Now, halimbawa, sodium is metal or non-metal. So, i-check natin sa periodic table kung metal ba siya o non-metal. So, since yung sodium ay nasa left side, it is considered as metal. Okay? So, metal siya. Ano nga ang ginagawa ng mga metal? Do they give or do they lose electron? So, usually, they give electron. They donate electron. So, halimbawa, nag-donate si sodium ng isang electron sa isa pang element. Halimbawa, isang non-metal. So, ibig sabihin nun, nabawasan siya ng isang electron. Okay? So, since nabawasan siya ng electron, ang kanyang electron na ngayon ay 10. Okay? Nabawasan siya ng isang electron. So, 10 na yung kanyang electron. Okay? Again, si proton, walang mababawas dyan. Constant lang siya. Now, anong magiging charge ni sodium? Okay? So, pag sinulat natin siya ngayon, since unequal na yung number of electron and number of proton, ito na yung tinatawag natin na ion. Okay? So, ito na yung tinatawag natin na ion kasi hindi na equal si electron at saka si proton. So, pag sinulat natin yung charge ni sodium, we can write it as Na. Okay, anong mas malaki sa dalawa? 10 or 11? Di ba 11? So, sino ba yung 11? Di ba proton? Anong charge ni proton? Positive, right? So, ilalagay natin ditong charge ay positive kasi siya yung mas dominant dun sa dalawang charges. So, positive. Okay? Anong magiging charge niya? Okay? Since nagbigay ng isang electron, okay? Nagbigay siya ng isang electron, okay? Yun yung ilalagay natin na charge niya kasi nabawasan siya ng isang electron. So, pag sinulat natin yung kanyang charge, Na, positive 1, which means si sodium ay nag-donate ng isang electron, kaya siya naging ion. Now, anong klaseng ion ito? Okay? So, since siya ay positive, we call this ion as cation ion. Hindi cation ha, cation. So, in your module on page 6, okay, so ito yung sample natin sa activity 1. Okay, so paano ba yun gawin? Or paano ba yung gagawin doon para ma-fill up yung mga kailangang information? So, sa pinakauna, ito yung sample natin, right? So, we have calcium, Ca is the symbol, okay? 20 is the atomic number, and 40, yung number na to, is the atomic mass. Okay? Nakalagay din yan sa inyong periodic table. So, i-check natin siya. Si calcium, ayan, si calcium, 20 is the atomic number, and yung maliit na number na yun, 40.078, is the atomic mass of calcium. So, nakalagay din siya dyan. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang positive sign here, which indicate that this one is already ion. Okay? Kasi meron na siyang charge. Okay? Kung wala siyang charge na ganyan, ibig sabihin neutral atom lang siya. But since merong charge, ayan, positive charge daw siya, ibig sabihin ito ay ion. Okay? So, we have here the information about proton, electron, and the charge itself. Proton here is 20. Why 20? Because the atomic number is 20. Okay? So, madali lang yan, yung paglagay ng proton. Ang titignan mo lang ay yung atomic number ng element. Kasi equal si atomic number at saka si proton. And remember, si proton ay hindi nababawasan. Only electron can be add, or we can add electrons, or we can remove electron from a certain atom. Now, yung electron naman daw ng calcium ay 18. Okay? 18 na yung kanyang electron. Originally, kung ito ay neutral atom, 20 yan dapat, di ba? So, 18 na daw siya ngayon. Kaya nabawasan ng ilan? 2. Right? So, ang kanyang naging charge ay 2. Bakit 2? Kasi yun yung naibawas sa electron. Nabawasan siya ng 2. Eh, bakit positive yung charge? Kasi po, mas greater na yung number of proton kaysa kay electron. And si proton is positive charge. Kaya positive yung charge dito. Okay? Mas madali yan kung halimbawa given yung dalawang yan, tas walang charge. Okay? Minus mo lang silang 2. 2. Right? Ano magiging charge niya? Positive o negative? Sino ba ang mas greater? Si proton o si electron? Si proton, di ba? So, kaya yan ay positive. Okay? So, let's have another example. Carbon, C is the symbol, 6 is the atomic number, and 12 is the atomic mass of carbon. Now, anong kanyang proton? What is the number of proton? Anong titignan pag number of proton? The atomic number. So, 6 din yan. Now, given yung charge, then wala tayong electron. Okay? Given yung charge niya, which is negative 2. Okay? Paano naman yan pag negative 2? Again, ion din ito, no? Itong si carbon kasi meron siyang negative dito. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na rin equal yung dalawang yan. So, anong magiging paano natin makukuha yung number of electrons nito? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng negative 2 dito? Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, kapag negative 2, nadagdagan ng 2 yung original na electron ni carbon. So, ang original na electron ni carbon ay 6. Diba? Original niyang number yun, 6. Kasi equal-equal sila dapat. Eh ngayon, nadagdagan daw siya ng 2. So, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay? So, pag check mo yan, pag minus mo silang 2, is negative 2. right? Another is, kaya yan negative, kasi sino bang mas malaki? Si 8, di ba? And 8 is electron. And the symbol of electron is negative. And 2, kasi mas lamang siya ng dalawang electron kaysa kay proton. Okay? Kaya po siya naging negative 2. So, eto lang yung tatandaan nyo. Kapag metal, si calcium ay metal, di ba? Positive yan. Cation yan. Pag cation, nagbibigay sila ng electron. Nababawasan yung electron nila. Kapag naman carbon, si carbon is non-metal, sila naman nadadagdagan yung kanilang electron. Okay? Kaya dumadami yung electron nila. Ganun lang ang tatandaan natin dyan. Pwede rin naman na ganito. Tandaan natin na kapag positive yung charge ng isang ion, ibig sabihin nun, nababawasan yung kanyang electron. Okay? Pag positive, nababawasan ng electron. Kapag naman negative yung charge ng ion, ibig sabihin nun, nadadagdagan yung kanyang electron. Okay? Pag positive, nababawasan. Okay? Kasi nagiging mas malaki yung number of proton niya. Kaya nagiging positive yung charge. Kapag negative naman yung charge, is nadadagdagan yung electron niya kasi lumalamang si electron kay proton. Kaya nagiging negative yung charge niya. So, i-apply natin yan dun sa in-example natin kanina. We have the element lithium. 3 is the atomic number and 7 is the atomic mass. Number of proton and atomic number is always equal to each other. So again, kung ano yung atomic number niya, yun din yung number of proton niya. So this one is 3, right? Okay, 3 yan. Now, number of electron. Positive yan. Again, sabi natin kapag positive, nababawasan. Ilan yung nabawas sa electron niya? 1, kasi yung charge dito ay 1, nakalagay 1. So, ibig sabihin, nabawasan ng isang electron. Okay? Originally, ang electron ni lithium ay 3. Kasi equal sila dapat, di ba? Ion na nga siya. So, ibig sabihin nga, nabawasan siya. So, dati, 3 yung electron niya. Ngayon, nabawasan daw ng isa. Okay? So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay? So, 2 na ngayon yung ating electron. Okay? Next one is sulfur. 16 is the atomic number and 32 is the atomic mass. Number of proton is always equal to the number of or equal to the atomic number. So, dito ay 16. Okay? Now, how about the electron? Okay, si electron naman, ano daw nangyari? Meron daw siyang charge na negative 2. Again, sabi natin kanina, kapag negative yung charge, nadadagdagan yung electron. So, dito sa example natin, ang nadagdag daw kay sulfur ay 2. Okay? 2. So, now, ilan yung electron ba natin? Originally, 16 din yung electron natin. Pero, nadagdagan daw siya ng 2. So, 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay? Yan. So, 18 now is the number of electron. Okay? Mas madali ba? Next one is beryllium. Okay, so beryllium, atomic number is 4. 9 is the atomic mass. So, what is the number of proton? Number of proton is, again, equal to the atomic number. So, 4. Now, ang charge niya ay positive. So, maglo-lose ba siya or mag-gain? Madadagdagan ba siya o mababawasan? Again, kapag positive, nababawasan. So, naglo-lose siya ng electron. Ilan yung nabawas na electron sa kanya? 2. Okay? Kung ilan yung charge niya, yun yung naibabawas sa kanya, 'di ba? So, originally, ulit, 4 yung kanyang number of electron. Okay? So, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 now is the number of electron. Okay? So, pag chinek natin yan, madali lang naman. 3 minus 2 is 1. Positive 1. 16 minus 18 is negative 2. 4 minus 2 is positive 2. Okay? Madali lang kaya? Sana na-gets? Okay. So this time, let's talk about the LEDs or the Lewis electron dot structure. So it is defined as the shorthand representation of valence electron of an atom. It is represented by dots surrounding the symbol. So in your periodic table, okay, found on page 7, okay, so LEDs is the acronym for Lewis electron dot structure, which is proposed by Gilbert Lewis. And he said that valence electron can be represented using the dots, okay, and it can be put around the symbol of an element. Okay, so LEDs talks about the valence electron, right? Okay, so naalala niyo pa ba kung paano kumuha ng valence electron? Remember, we have discussed it before, right? But this time, tuturo ko sa inyo yung easiest way to get the valence electron without performing or without doing the electron configuration of the element. Okay? So actually, napakadali lang kunin ng valence electron kapag ang element ay nasa family A. Okay? Or it belongs to family A. Kasi, sa family A, kung anong group number nila, yun ang kanilang valence electron. So, say for example, group 1, okay, so group 1, ito yung group 1, di ba? Mula dito kay hydrogen, papunta dito kay francium. So, itong mga to ay group 1. Since group 1 sila, ang valence electron nila ay 1. Okay? So, lahat ng group 1 ay 1 ang valence electron. Group 2, mula naman kay beryllium hanggang kay radium, silang lahat ay 2 ang valence electron. Okay, so 2 valence electron. Group 3, ito na yung group 3, 3A kasi. So mula kay boron, pababa dito kay thallium, lahat sila ay 3 ang valence electron. Okay? Group 4, carbon group, pababa dito kay lead. So mula kay carbon hanggang kay lead, sila ay 4 ang valence electron. Group 5, mula kay nitrogen hanggang kay bismuth. Okay, so yan yung group 5. Ang kanilang valence electron ay 5. Okay? Group 6, mula dito kay oxygen, papunta dito kay polonium. Lahat naman sila ay 6 ang valence electron. Okay? And then group 7, fluorine down to iodine. Lahat sila ay 7. Kasama pala si astatine doon. And helium down to radon ay 8 valence electron. Okay? So again, kung anong group number nila, yun ang kanilang valence electron. Okay, so example tayo. Say for example, element aluminum. Group 3 siya, so 3 ang kanyang valence electron. Huwag mo nang isolve. How about calcium? Calcium, group 2 siya. So, ibig sabihin, 2 ang kanyang valence electron. Napakadali, di ba? So, let's have another example. Say, for example, we have the element magnesium. Okay, so the symbol is Mg. Okay? So, check natin sa periodic table anong group ni magnesium. Mg is under group 2. Okay? So, ito siya. Group 2 siya. Kaya 2 ang kanyang valence electron. So, 2 yan. Okay, so LEDs. Paano gagawin yung LEDs ni magnesium? First, you have to write the symbols. Sulat mo muna yung symbol niya, which is Mg. And then, write the or put the dots, okay, dun sa palibot ng symbol. Susundin natin yung clockwise, ganyan. Pwede rin namang dito or dito, pareho. Okay lang yun. Doesn't matter. So, Mg, we have 2 dots kasi 2 yung kanyang valence electron or group number. The number of electron loose or gain. Okay? So, since ito ay metal, Okay, pag metal, nagdo-donate sila ng electron. So, nababawasan sila ng electron. So, naglo-lose. Nababawasan sila ng electron. Ilan yung pwede niyang i-donate? 2. Kasi dalawa ang kanyang valence electron. So, 2 yung kanyang pwedeng i-donate na electron. Lose or gain? Lose. Okay. 2 yung pwede niyang ibigay, kaya mawawalan siya ng electron. Okay. So, pag sinulat natin yung kanyang symbol, okay, so magiging Mg. So, since nabawasan siya ng 2 electron, ibig sabihin nun, mas malaki na ngayon yung kanyang proton, which is positive. Kaya magiging positive yan. Okay? Ilan yung nabawas sa kanya? 2. Kaya magiging Mg positive 2. Okay? So, again, positive kasi mas greater na ngayon si proton kaysa kay electron. And 2, kasi 2 yung electron na nawala sa kanya. Okay? So, sana madali lang. Okay, another example is sulfur. Okay? Sulfur, S is the symbol. Group number, check natin sa periodic table kung anong group number ni sulfur. So, ito si sulfur found on group 6. Okay? So, 6 yung kanyang group number, which means 6 din yung kanyang valence electron. So, sulfur, pwede nating isulat ng ganito, yung kanyang leads. S, again, is the symbol. Then, ilagay natin yung kanyang valence electron or group number. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Pwede rin itong magkasama na. Okay lang yan. Then, number of lose or gain electron. Okay, so, ito, si sulfur, ilan na lang ang kulang niya para maging 8 yung kanyang valence electron. So, meron na siyang 6. 2 na lang yung kanyang bubunuin na electron eh, diba? So, 2 yung kailangan niya. And, kailangan niya bang mag-lose o mag-gain ng 2 electron? Kailangan niya mag-gain para maging 8 siya, diba? So, ito parang sinasabi ko is applicable only for those element found under group 6 and group 7. Kapag sa group 6 at saka sa group 7, pwede nyo i-apply yung 8 valence electron na yan. Okay? Pero kapag nasa group 1 and 2, ay hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun na, hindi pwede yung ilan lang ang kulang niya para maging 8. Hindi po applicable yun doon. So, 2 gain, kailangan niya mag-gain ng 2 electron. And, pag sinulat natin yung kanyang symbol, S, since madadagdagan siya ng 2 electron, okay, magiging mas malaki yung electron niya, kaya magiging negative. Ilan yung idadagdag sa kanya? 2. So, magiging 2, S, negative 2. And siya ay anion. Kasi siya ay negative.